Number 1.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $5,800, shows 163,000 miles on the odometer and presents an outstanding, highly preserved condition throughout. Powered by an economical 2.3-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an engaging 5-speed manual transmission, the vehicle stands out with a bright red exterior that has been carefully shielded from harsh elements, having always been garaged, meticulously maintained. Consequently, the body and bed are completely free of rust or frame rot, displaying only a few minor cosmetic surface scratches consistent with its age and minimal surface rust on the frame. The cabin features a neat gray interior equipped with functional air conditioning for a comfortable daily commute. Riding on a set of brand new tires, this remarkably clean, turnkey compact Ranger offers a rare combination of long-term care, fuel economy, and classic truck utility.
Number 2.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $6,499, features 104,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title in hand, representing a low-mileage, all-original, single-owner Florida vehicle. Powered by a gasoline-fueled 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the body is completely rust-free and presents a rich brown exterior complemented by a beige interior, with both the inside and outside maintained in remarkably clean condition. The truck sits on stylish 15x8 American Racing Outlaw wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires, 255/60 or 15 in the front and 275/60 or 15 in the rear, with the original factory wheels and a bed cap included in the sale. Mechanically and cosmetically enhanced, it boasts a new battery, a new starter, a fresh grille, a new dash bezel, updated plastic interior trim, and a modern touchscreen Bluetooth radio for integrated sound control.
Number 3.
1995 Nissan Pickup, price $4,800. The truck is a true head-turner that seamlessly bridges nostalgic vintage appeal with solid everyday functionality. Showing a clean title and 208,000 miles proudly displayed on its dashboard, this vintage gem features a sleek gray exterior that looks sharp against brand new wheels and tires, while maintaining an exceptionally tidy and clean interior cabin. Underneath the body, its frame remains completely clean and structurally sound, providing a robust foundation for the road. Under the hood, it houses a fuel-efficient engine that runs exceptionally smooth with no check engine lights, paired smoothly with a responsive 5-speed manual transmission and a strong clutch that delivers an engaging,
authentic driving experience.
Whether you are looking for a reliable commuter or a fun, unique truck to cruise around town and show off at local car meets, this charming hardbody even comes equipped with a playful Dixie horn to complete its distinct personality.
Number 4.
2001 Mazda B2500, price $4,500. This dependable pickup shows just 158,000 original miles on the odometer. Underneath the hood, it features a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a responsive manual transmission, delivering a durable, engaging, and practical performance for both daily commutes and job site tasks. The exterior is finished in a distinct gold color, while the interior cabin remains in excellent shape with every single feature working properly, most notably an ice-cold air conditioning system that ensures total comfort on hot days. Clean, straightforward, and ready for work, it stands as a completely turnkey vehicle designed to get the job done without hassle.
Number 5.
1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. The truck is a clean-titled, highly original displaying 154,000 miles on the odometer and current registration tags valid through November. Finished in a matching blue-on-blue color scheme for both the exterior and interior, this gasoline-powered truck remains nearly bone stock, with the sole performance upgrade being a custom dual exhaust system. Under the hood, it features a classic 5.7-liter small-block Chevy V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission that was replaced just 10,000 miles ago, offering smooth and reliable power.
The current owner maintains a complete paper trail documenting all maintenance work performed on the vehicle,
making it a well-documented and well-cared-for classic truck ready for its next owner.
Number 6.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,900, featuring a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior cabin. While the physical odometer displays 40,000 miles, the true total mileage is estimated to be around 140,000 miles. Under the hood, this truck runs exceptionally strong, smooth, and fast thanks to a rebuilt 350 small-block Chevy engine coupled with a rebuilt automatic transmission. The vehicle has been further upgraded with essential mechanical components, including a brand new starter, a new alternator, a new battery, and a fresh set of new tires, ensuring reliable performance. On the inside, it comes equipped with convenient power windows, a rear sliding glass window, and a fully functional heating system for cooler weather, though the air conditioning components remain intact but currently non-functional. Structurally, the truck boasts a completely straight body with zero rust underneath.
Number 7.
2002 Ford Ranger, price $7,880, showing 173,000 miles on its odometer. This dependable gasoline-powered truck is driven by a robust 4.0-liter V6 engine paired seamlessly with a smooth automatic transmission. The body is finished in a vibrant red exterior that houses a surprisingly clean and well-preserved rear truck bed. The cabin is trimmed in a smart gray interior that remains thoroughly clean both inside and out, featuring an operational factory-style radio and audio system to keep drives enjoyable. As a seasoned 24-year-old vehicle, it exhibits the honest character of a well-kept driver rather than a showroom-fresh display piece. However, its sound mechanical foundation, solid overall condition, and straightforward design guarantee that it still has plenty of valuable service, versatility, and dependable performance to offer its next owner.
Number 8. 1999 GMC 2500, price $6,500, powered by a dependable 5.7-liter Vortec V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Featuring a classic gold exterior and a tan interior equipped with a 60/40 split bench seat, the vehicle displays over 300,000 miles on the body, though its replaced engine and transmission perform with the strength and responsiveness of a setup with only 50,000 to 60,000 miles. The truck rides on a brand new set of Goodyear Wrangler Authority A/T tires with fewer than 500 miles of wear and pulls exceptionally well, coming equipped with a heavy-duty hitch alongside a new rear bumper that features an integrated 4/7 pin trailer plug. Ready for winter utility work, it also includes a Boss snowplow mount, a second battery, and complete pre-installed wiring, needing only a plow blade and joystick controller. While the body shows expected rust along the cab corners and door jambs, the truck comes with brand new welded sheet metal replacement panels as well as uninstalled front brake pads, spark plugs, ignition wires, and an emergency brake cable. Number 9.
2001 Ford Ranger, price $3,200, driven by a dependable 3.0-liter V6 engine paired seamlessly with a smooth automatic transmission. Showing 175,000 miles on the odometer, features a classic white exterior and a neatly maintained gray interior cabin, boasting an exceptionally clean body and frame with virtually no rust issues. It runs and drives exceptionally well with zero warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, offering great year-round driving comfort thanks to its ice-cold air conditioning and powerful hot heat. The truck comes equipped with an aftermarket Bluetooth radio, making it a reliable, turnkey vehicle that is fully ready for daily driving.
Number 10.
1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $2,300, comes with a clear title in hand and 135,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 5.9-liter Magnum V8 360 motor paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Further enhancing its performance is a set of 4.10 rear axle gears, providing impressive low-end torque and exceptional towing responsiveness. The truck features a striking blue exterior that highlights its bold body lines, alongside a notably clean truck bed ready for cargo.
Inside, the cabin is trimmed in a gray interior that remains remarkably clean and well-preserved throughout. Driver comfort is fully prioritized with a climate control system featuring fully operational, hot heat and ice-cold air conditioning. Overall, this Dodge Ram stands as a clean, turnkey classic truck inside and out, perfectly suited for heavy work duties or comfortable daily cruising.